Monday morning. The city is still half asleep. The air is cool, the streets are quiet. Just the sounds of a passing motorbike here and there. By the roadside, a vendor begins setting up her stall. Various breakfast snacks, rice cakes, fried pastries, warm bites. But time doesn't wait. Bit by bit, everything starts to wake up. And suddenly, the streets change. What was quiet is now crowded. Motorbikers, cars, honking horns, everyone racing somewhere. A satay car rolls by, smoke trailing gently. Not just for dinner. Some people like it strong in the morning. Fruit sellers start to arrange their goods. Watermelons, oranges, and that dragon fruit standing out like it always does. In the corner of the market, the chicken vendors already at work, knife in hand, skillful and quiet. No words, just focus, position, and hope the stock sells out. The traffic builds up, but it's not chaos. It's proof the city is fully awake. That's how Monday morning go. Always starting slow, but then suddenly full of life. Not just a routine, but a little chapter. It's a story that keeps on going.